Tired of that persistent tingling in your hands and feet, struggling with unbearable nerve pain? What if we told you that the solution to your problem might be in your very own kitchen? Yes, you heard it right. If you're one of the millions battling nerve damage, today's video could change your life. Forget about magic potions or expensive medications. We're diving into the natural healing power hidden in simple everyday foods you might be overlooking. These miraculous foods have been scientifically proven to aid in nerve repair, bringing back feeling in your hands, easing pain in your feet, and overall improving your quality of life. Let's see together the 10 miraculous foods that are scientifically proven to help in nerve repair. So, are you ready to discover these superfoods? Let's dive in. Number 1. Leafy green. The memories of our parents urging us to finish our greens at the dinner table. Turns out, they knew what they were talking about. Leafy greens like broccoli, asparagus, and spinach are not just excellent for boosting eyesight with their vitamin A content, they also pack a hidden superpower. They are vitamin B powerhouses. Vitamin B plays a crucial role in boosting nerve regeneration and enhancing nerve functions. And that's not all. Spinach, broccoli, and kale also boast a rich supply of alpha-lipoic acid, a wonder micronutrient that improves nerve functionality and shields nerves from oxidative damage. So, these greens are not just for salads, they are essential ingredients for nurturing your nerve health. Number 2. Caviar. These tiny pearls harvested from sturgeon fish are not just associated with luxury and indulgence, they are nutritional powerhouses that your nerves will love. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and iron, caviar is not only good for your heart, but also critical for ensuring smooth nerve functioning and aiding in the healing process of damaged nerves. If you ever stumble upon caviar, seize the moment and let its nutrient-rich pearls work wonders on your nerves. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. These seeds, small but mighty, contain high levels of potassium and magnesium, the best friends of your nerves which are crucial for nerve conduction and function. Infusing your daily diet with a healthy sprinkling of pumpkin seeds could become your secret weapon for nerve health, calming those overexcited and damaged nerves and fortifying them from within. Number 4. Ginger. Ginger, the heart of your kitchen, is not just a zesty kick in your dishes. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease neuropathy pain. It's a treasure trove of healing properties that can soothe and restore your nerves. But that's not all. It's also loaded with a compound known as ginger oil, which acts as ginger's secret superhero alter ego. Its exceptional healing abilities work like magic on your neuropathy pain, easing cramps, and offering you versatile options to incorporate it into your daily diet. Number 5. Turmeric. Now let's add some vibrant color and tantalizing aroma to our culinary adventure with turmeric. This golden-hued spice has been a cornerstone of kitchens and traditional remedies for centuries, and its healing power goes beyond chasing away colds and soothing minor cuts. Curcumin, an antioxidant-rich compound found in turmeric, is the key to its remarkable nerve repair capabilities. Acting as a soothing balm for damaged nerves, turmeric can be a natural pain-relieving warrior in your quest for improved nerve health. Number 6. Walnuts. The walnut, a tiny brain-like gem with a crunch that celebrates brain food. Walnuts are not just delightful snacks, they are celebrated globally for their nutrient-dense profile, particularly their rich store of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fatty acids quietly work behind the scenes, repairing the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves, and facilitating faster recovery for damaged nerves. Add to that their impressive stash of antioxidants, and you have a potent ally against nerve damage. Embrace walnuts as your dietary party guests, and you might start noticing a comforting change in just a few weeks. Number 7. Chamomile. Let's take a moment to appreciate the gentle yet powerful charm of chamomile, a time-honored herb that has been soothing souls and healing bodies for centuries. Its wealth of antioxidants gives it the superpower to tame inflammation and ease neuropathic pain, offering you a gentle respite from discomfort. For those dealing with diabetic neuropathy, chamomile is a gentle guardian of blood sugar levels, making it an excellent ally against nerve pain. Whether you prefer it as tea or essential oil, chamomile is here to soothe and heal. Number 8. Quinoa. Now, we welcome quinoa to our culinary ensemble, a humble grain that's taken the health world by storm. Beyond its trendy status, quinoa is a pseudo-cereal that has captured hearts and enriched diets with its impressive health benefits. Packed with potassium, the grand conductor of your body's symphony, quinoa orchestrates the conduction of messages through your nerves, keeping them singing the right tune. With its medley of benefits and no harmful side effects, quinoa takes center stage as a nutritious encore in your quest for improved nerve health. Number 9. Fresh fruits. Let's dive into the delightful and delicious pharmacy of nature, fruits. These juicy, sweet, and sometimes tangy gifts are not just treats for your taste buds. They are vital allies in your journey to heal damaged nerves. Fruits are like nature's multivitamins, packed with an abundance of antioxidants that have a knack for taming inflammation. Their nutrient powerhouse status is essential for the smooth running of your body's complex machinery and plays a starring role in nursing your damaged nerves back to health. So, let's savor the burst of berries, indulge in a handful of grapes, and embrace these fruits as nature's healing agents. Number 10. Water. Lastly, let's not forget the most basic yet powerful ally in our quest for health, water. This clear, flavorless fluid is life in a glass, playing a crucial role in our overall well-being. Hydration is key to keeping muscle spasms and neuropathic pain at bay. Water serves as the highway for essential healing elements to reach your damaged nerves, making it your body's very own delivery service. So remember to drink at least 8 glasses of water every day and witness how this everyday liquid works its healing magic on your nerves. After all, where there's water, there's life and healing. Remember, everybody is unique, and what works for one may be different for another. Embrace these foods as your nerve-healing allies, and let us know in the comments which ones resonate with you the most. Let's exchange ideas and support each other on this path to improved nerve health. If you found this video valuable, show some love by hitting that like button. Together, let's unlock the secrets to nerve health and rediscover a life free from nerve pain. Cheers to a vibrant and pain-free you.